Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing something I've never done on my channel before, and we're gonna cook. Okay, yup, you heard it, we're going to cook. And if this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering why this is a laughing matter to me, it's because I don't cook. I don't. But ever since this whole lockdown thing happened in Los Angeles and pretty much everywhere around the world, it's really forced me to step out of my comfort zone and has pushed me to do things I used to never do, and one of them is cooking. Yep. It's such a weird feeling to know that I now enjoy cooking, because prior to this, literally my entire life, I thought I didn't like cooking. But now literally I catch myself going to bed at night being really excited to wake up the next day just so I can cook. It's so weird. It's a weird feeling, but also a good feeling, because obviously I discovered something about myself. So for today's video, we are going to be cooking sinigang, aka my favorite. In case you guys don't know what sinigang is, I'm gonna put the description right here. And it's basically a very traditional Filipino soup. Ever since I was a kid, I've just always been obsessed with sinigang, and I can't believe I know how to cook it now. So the best part about sinigang is that it's so easy to cook, and if I can do it, you guys, you can do it. Okay, it's very easy. But before we get started, I just want to put a little disclaimer out there that I'm on a beginner level. I'm not like a chef yet. I'm definitely on the beginning stages. So if I don't do something right, like if I don't cut something the right way, or if I don't pour something the right way, please do not come for me, okay? My little chef heart cannot handle criticism right now, so go easy on me, okay? Also, question of the day for you guys: what's your favorite thing to cook? Like, what's your go-to dish that you absolutely love to cook and your family and friends enjoy eating it too? Let me know down in the comment section below, because I'm very curious. All right, so we're ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's do this. So of course, we're gonna need our handy dandy Instant Pot. Mine is the 6-quart size. And for ingredients, I've already chopped up mine to save time, but we're gonna need some okra, 1 large tomato, and I sliced mine into 4 pieces, 1 big yellow pepper, half a radish, half an eggplant, some bok choy, string beans, half an onion, and I cut them up like this. I also use short ribs, and of course the key ingredient, sinigang mix. I actually accidentally showed you the hot version here, the spicy version, but just an FYI, I used the original non-spicy for mine. Alright, so first up, we're going to put all the meats, tomatoes, and sliced up onions inside the Instant Pot. Then I fill up the Instant Pot with 4 to 6 cups of water, and after that, I add the sinigang mix on top. So now it's time to close it up and hit the meat stew setting, and we pretty much just kind of leave it alone and let it do its thing. It's going to take a few minutes for the Instant Pot to hit the right pressure, and when it does, it'll start to cook by itself for about 35 minutes. Alright, so now the first part is done. I let it cool for about 5 more minutes till I release the pressure. Now we press this pressure thingy to release the pressure. Let me know if any of your Instant Pot is like this too. My sister, it's making such a big mess. Hold on. All right, so now that she's calming down. Okay, she's calming down. So it's releasing the pressure right now. And after, is it still releasing it? So we're gonna open this up. Let's see what it looks like. I'm so excited. It's coming together. So here I'm just stirring and just kind of mixing it up a little bit to make room for the rest of the vegetables we're gonna put in. I'm gonna put in the okra, eggplants, bok choy, radish, and the large yellow pepper. And lastly, don't forget your string beans. Also, don't worry if your pot is looking too filled, just like mine does right now. You could always eliminate some of the soup to make more space. And once we are done, we're closing the lid one last time and locking it up. I'm going to be using this setting right here, the soup broth setting. And that's pretty much it. 5 minutes is good, and once the 5 minutes is up, we are done. That is the sound of a sinigang that needs to be eaten. So I'm just gonna wait 5 more minutes till it's ready to be served. Wow, wow, wow. I killed that.